In this tutorial, you'll learn how to share a Jupyter Notebook with others using Google Colab. To begin, search for Google Colab and select the result to open the Colab platform. Click the New Notebook button to create a new Jupyter Notebook and start working. Enter your commands or code in the input area to get your notebook ready for sharing. Next, open the Commands tab and choose the Download .ipinb option if you want to save a local copy before sharing. Now, click the Share button. Then change the link access to anyone with the link so others can view your notebook. Click the Copy Link button, then finish by pressing Done. Your notebook's shareable link is ready to send with others. If you want to collaborate further, create another notebook or paste shared content to keep working together. You've now learned how to quickly share your Jupyter Notebook. Happy collaborating!